Hello, my name is Evan Hornsby. My presentation today will be on Old Dominion Freight Line, a national less than truckload freight company. In this presentation, I will review the company history, role in the supply chain, and organizational structure. Old Dominion's company financials, global impact, current issues, and public image will also be discussed. Old Dominion Freight Line was founded in 1934 by Earl and Lillian Congdon in Richmond, Virginia. The name Old Dominion is a reference to Virginia's nickname and started as a single truck operation hauling goods between Richmond and Norfolk, Virginia. Throughout the 1940s and 1950s, Old Dominion steadily expanded its services to include additional routes within the Southeast and North Carolina. The company survived the economic difficulty of the Great Depression and World War II by maintaining steady, reliable service, which helped it build a loyal customer base. It also expanded into new freight markets during this time. In the 1960s and 1970s, the company began to grow more aggressively and expanded into the southeastern United States. By the end of the 80s, Old Dominion had transformed from a regional carrier into a national LTL, or less than truckload provider, extending its routes to the Midwest, Northeast, and parts of the West Coast. In the 1990s and early 2000s, Old Dominion's focus on operational efficiency, customer service, and technological innovation helped cement its reputation as a leader in the LTL sector. The company began investing in advanced logistics technology, including tracking systems and automated freight handling processes, which allowed it to improve delivery accuracy and reduce costs. The company expanded its operations internationally, offering freight services to Canada, Mexico, and the Caribbean. It also expanded into other services like global supply chain management and logistics. Today, Old Dominion operates over 250 service centers across North America, employing more than 24,000 people. Old Dominion's extensive network of over 250 service centers across North America allows it to handle shipments from a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, retail, and e-commerce. The company's service network plays a vital role in ensuring that goods are transported efficiently across long distances, linking regional suppliers to national and international markets. The core of Old Dominion's contribution to the supply chain lies in its LTL services. Unlike full truckload shipping, which involves dedicating an entire trailer to a single shipment, LTL allows multiple customers to share space on a truck, consolidating different shipments into one vehicle. This model enhances supply chain efficiency by reducing the need for partial or empty truckloads, lowering overall transportation costs, and minimizing the carbon footprint associated with underutilized capacity. The LTL model allows them to ship smaller quantities of goods without waiting for a full truckload, thus reducing inventory lead times. This responsiveness is especially important in just-in-time manufacturing models, where companies rely on receiving materials exactly when needed to minimize inventory cost. By consistently meeting or exceeding delivery expectations, Old Dominion supports the smooth functioning of supply chains, allowing companies to maintain lean inventories while ensuring the timely flow of goods. For its org structure, Old Dominion has a board of directors that is responsible for overseeing the company's corporate governance and long-term goals, while the executive team is tasked with implementing strategies to achieve these objectives. The chief executive officer is responsible for the overall leadership and management of the company. The CEO sets the strategic vision, leads the company's growth initiatives, and ensures that operations align with its mission of delivering high quality, reliable freight services. The CEO works closely with other senior executives, including the Chief Financial Officer, Chief Operating Officer, and Chief Information Officer, to oversee different areas of the business. Old Dominion ended quarter 3 of 2024 with a total revenue of $1.47 billion. Capital expenditures for the third quarter were $242.8 million and $600.4 million year to date. This is a result of real estate and service center expansion projects, purchasing new tractors and trailers, and investing in information technology. The direct operating costs saw a 3% increase from the same time last year to 72.7%, and the company primarily attributes this to an increase in cost associated with their group health and dental plans. The combination of the decrease in revenue and the increase in the operating ratio resulted in the 7.1% decrease in earnings per diluted share to $1.43 for the third quarter. As of November 6, stock reached an all-time high of $228.10 per share. This represents a 12.7% increase over the past year. Investors are confident in Old Dominion's history and strong financial position make them a leader in the trucking industry. By investing in technology, Old Dominion can enhance efficiency by optimizing shipping routes and enhancing cargo visibility. Old Dominion ensures that goods from international markets can be seamlessly integrated into the domestic United States market. Delays or inefficiencies could disrupt entire international supply chains, so this is important for global businesses that rely on just-in-time delivery systems. Another way Old Dominion is having a global impact is through fleet modernization. In 2024, Old Dominion replaced older, less efficient vehicles with new trucks to help reduce carbon emissions. This is as helpful as Europe has stricter emission standards. Old Dominion's performance can have a direct impact on trade relationships within the global economy. When there are tensions between the U.S. and other nations, such as China, Old Dominion adapts to ensure there is a stable partner in the global supply chain. Inflation and the rising cost of diesel fuel are current issues that have had a significant impact on operational expenses. As a result, a fuel surcharge has been implemented to offset these costs. The pandemic contributed to major driver shortages, either due to retirements or people leaving the industry altogether. In response, Old Dominion has increased recruitment and offers such as incentives as signing bonuses, higher pay, and better benefit packages. Retention is also an issue due to the heavy travel and long hours. In response, they have invested in employee wellness programs and offer flexible scheduling to decrease burnout and turnover. Increasing regulatory and environmental compliance is another challenge Old Dominion faces. As mentioned previously, investing in a more fuel-efficient fleet is one way they are addressing this issue. They are also investing in infrastructure, new technology, and are committed to reducing energy consumption to tackle these issues. Old Dominion is the largest less-than-truckload freight company in the United States. Their public image is built on their reputation for operational excellence and customer service. Their reliability is shown in their high on-time delivery rates. They make operational efficiency and customer relationships a top priority. Being in business since 1934 shows longevity, and coupled with their strong financial stability adds to their strong public image. Mastio & Company conducts a survey of logistics professionals to identify the top carriers by measuring 28 attributes important to customer satisfaction. In 2024, Old Dominion earned this award for the 15th consecutive year. Old Dominion's core values are to be professional, reliable, open, mindful, innovative, serving, ethical, and supportive. After 90 years in business, they are living up to their vision of being the premier transportation solutions company in the domestic and global markets they serve. Thank you for your time, and now I can take questions.